Good morning, children. Welcome to the science class. Successfully, we completed 7 blocks or not? Now, I want to ask one question. How do we come to know about the world around us? Why is it important for us to know about the world? How do animals come to know about the world around them? Think. Humans and animals come to know about the outside world through our 5 sense organs. Do you remember or not sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Animals also use their senses to know about the world. Like humans, animals also use their senses to know about the world. Why can't we see in the night? What happens when the light is switched on suddenly? Why can we not see things from far away? Yes, today we are going to learn about the how animals power of sight is stronger that of than humans and how it helps them survive. Block number 8, page number 52. Super senses. Super senses. Our 5 senses help us to get information about the world around us. Animals also use their senses to know about their surroundings. They have a very strong sense of sight, smell, hearing and touch. These well-developed senses help them to survive better in their environment. Survive means live. Environment means their surroundings. Next, super sense of sight. Sight means to see the meaning of that sight or not. Super sense of sight. Some animals have a strong sense of sight. The eyesight of eagles, vultures and hawks is 3 to 4 times sharper than that of humans. See here, eagles, vultures and hawks have 3 to 4 times sharper than humans. They look for food on the ground while they are flying high in the sky. So while they are flying in the sky also, they can look for food on the ground. An eagle can spot its prey from a height of 10,000 to 15,000 feet. We can see only about 20-30 feet. But imagine, eagle can spot its prey from a height of 10,000 to 15,000 feet. That is the super sense of sight. Owls and sharks can spot their prey in very dim light. In dim light, can you see? Can you able to see? No, we can't. But owls and sharks can spot their prey. Prey means their food in very dim light. Cats also have a strong night vision. Their eyes become round to allow more light to enter and see in the dark. So cats, tigers, they can see in the night also. Dark, here you see, day. Pupils of an owl become bigger night to allow more light to enter into the eye. This helps the owl to see at night. Here see, daytime. Pupil means this black. This is day in the daytime, but in the night time it will become round and big. Because of that, the light enter more. So the enter and see in the dark also they can see. In the night time also they can see clearly. Next, their eyes become, cats also have a strong night vision. Their eyes become round to allow more light to enter and see in the dark. Grazing animals like cows have elongated eyes to help them see all around. When we observe the eyes of cows and buffaloes, how those are elongated. Because of these eyes, they can see all around. Here you see the eyes of chameleon can move independently and see into different directions at the same time. Here it can move independently, these two eyeballs. So that's why it can see in different directions at the same time. Next, what is a super sense? Which animals have the super sense of sight? How does it help them survive? Think. It is an adaptation in animals to save themselves from their enemies. It also helps them hunt for food. Many other animals have a super sense of sight. Cats, owls, and sharks can see also in the dim light. Grazing animals have elongated eyes to help them get a broader view of the surroundings. Chameleons can move their eyes in different directions and can see in different directions at the same time. Here you see super sense of sight. Can see from far. Eagle, vulture, hawk, because of this super sense of sight, they can see from far away. Next, can see in dark. Tiger, cat, they can see in the dark also because of the round eyes. Next, can see in different directions at the same time. Chameleon, because it can move two eyes independently. That's why it can see in different directions. These are the super senses of sight in animals. These super sense helps to catch their food and also to survive themselves from enemies. Next, coming to your worksheet, here you see super sense sight. Write the name of the animal and complete the table. Here first eagle. Eagle can see from far away, yes or no? So it